Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the fob, the Highlander in park, and doors closed. Start now. First, press lock to arm the system, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds. You'll see hazard lights flash and the engine will crank remotely. That confirms the signal and immobilizer accepted the request. Make sure the parking brake is engaged and the shift lever reads park. Remote start will not engage otherwise. Once running, the vehicle will cycle climate and run safety checks automatically. Once the engine is running, verify dash indicators, engine icon, climate mode, and security light. The system sets HVAC to previous auto settings to warm or cool the cabin. That's why you should program climate preferences ahead of time. If the remote supports an extend feature, press the same button sequence to add run time. When you approach to enter, unlock with the fob, sit, and press the brake pedal to disengage remote mode and switch control to the push button start. To complete the process, enter, press the brake, and press the push button start once to transfer control from remote mode to you. The engine remains running under your control. If you need to stop the engine remotely, press the remote start button again or press lock, depending on your fob model. If remote start fails, inspect the fob battery, ensure the hood is fully closed, confirm the vehicle is in park, and check the security/immobilizer light. These are the most common causes, and fixing them restores remote start function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.